So this is just continuing off the last video, but where I left off was I was just basically twisting the cable, just showing. And see, this is how just the vinyl's not working out very well, but it does hold up to being twisted. And I would twist it the opposite way. It's just that it's not a good idea to try and twist the opposite way once you got it twisted one way. So anyways, I mean, so we'll go the opposite way with it here since it hasn't been twisted here. And there you have it. That's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to show. And I'll just give up some more updates once I use the other vinyl and just let everyone know how that's working out. But I mean, pretty much you could see yourself that it's strong enough to be twisted. Obviously I wouldn't suggest trying to twist it several times, but if you have to, I just untwisted it. It's still fine. And there's the same thing. So yep, that's pretty much it.